Hey, hi, how are you? In this video, we'll be going over a murder mystery template. If you've seen the murder mystery facts or murder mystery videos all over your TikTok feed, you'll see why this was necessary. So I created a template a few days ago, kind of simplifying the whole process, and I'll show you how to use it. So the first thing you do is, let's pause this for a bit, and for this effect, let me first show you how it works. You tap on the image, and it says our victim is Deku, last name with Anya, and basically as you keep tapping, it loads for a bit, and then you get a result. So how do we swap these images out? So we can swap everything. I made it so you can customize the background, the text, and the characters. So the first thing you do is let's swap out the characters. So where it says animation, we'll delete this here. And then we're going to import a texture sequence. And I have 6 from another project I had. And here it is. So the texture sequence is called Apple, and we're going to move it over to the animated sequences. So you can delete this, and then we're just going to set Apple or your texture sequence to all of these animated players. So animated player 1 all the way up to 6. We'll swap them out. Okay, after replacing the animated textures, go here where you see the peak, and it says the peak node that says how many images. Basically, you're just going to put in the amount of images in the animated texture that you imported, the animated sequence, I believe. So I think there were 6 images, so we'll change this to 6, and I believe that is it. So let's play it, click on it, and there we go. So that's all there is to it. If you'd like to change the background, you just open up the holder. So let's bring down the visual scripting window. Well, you just open the holder. So item 1 holder, item 2 for this one over here. So say we wanted to change the background or made it a different color, we can like darken it or give it a bit of red. Pretty cool. Or you can just change the image itself by going over here where you see background. You just click this and move it to something you imported it to. You can also change the text. So the item 1 title is victim. If you wanted that to say something else, you do the same. Come over here on the inspector panel and just change the texture to something you imported. So that is it. That's how you use it. Pretty straightforward. The link to the template will be in the description below. I'll also link the Discord where I posted this first, and I'll also have my socials in the description if there is anything you'd like to know or would like to request directly on Instagram or TikTok.